So, ibig sabihin, COVID-19 is planned and the virus is fake. Ganun daw. Maraming nagsasabi, nagko-comment na, yung even to one that is a proof na. Let's discuss next steps. For example, how to officially involve the WHO and ICRC. Yo! Eto, medyo maraming reaction sa post natin. Kasi daw, si Bill Gates at si Epstein nagkunsabahan. Dito tayo magsimula. Okay, news. Bill Gates discussed pandemic simulation plans with Jeffrey Epstein in 2017, years before COVID-19. So, ibig sabihin, COVID-19 is planned and the virus is fake. Ganun daw. So, reports have resurfaced that Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates discussed pandemic simulations with financier Jeffrey Epstein during meetings in 2017, years before the COVID-19 pandemic began. Now, okay. Merong nag-comment na pinadala ito. Ito yung basis nila. At actually, dalawa ito eh. Ito at saka yung kay Barry Johansen, yung director, na nagtanong kay Jeffrey Epstein about how they will depopulate the world. But ito tayo. Okay. So, yung picture is very catchy. Meron si Bill Gates, merong World Health Organization, and merong si Jeffrey Epstein. Now, himayin natin. From, hindi nakita kung sino, kung saan galing, to Jeffrey Epstein. This is dated March 20, 2015. Okay. Attachment. Geneva meeting on pandemics. Okay. And then sa baba, meron March 19, ang from and to hindi nalagay. So, dito sa picture na ito, dalawa ang wala. Isa lang ang pangalan na mention, si Jeffrey lang. Pero yung pangalan ni Bill Gates and yung World Health Organization, wala. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano yung laman ng message. Please find attached a draft agenda for the meeting on preparing for pandemics as requested. Okay. Let's discuss next steps. For example, how to officially involve the WHO and ICRC co-branding. Okay, so they are planning to use the WHO for their pandemic preparedness. Okay, so ibig sabihin, they are still in the process of asking or using the WHO for their scheme. Okay, so ang na-mention dito is Jeffrey Epstein lang. Itong picture nito, for me, if you're not critical enough, iisipin mo agad itong tatlo na ito nagkonsabahan. But as you can see in the email, wala ang pangalan ni Bill Gates, and yung email nagsasabi na manghihingi pa sila sa WHO. So it's unfair for WHO and for Bill Gates. Diba? Facts na po tayo. Huwag po tayong magpadala ng ating emosyon. Tingnan natin kung anong nakalagay. Hindi dahil lumabas sa Jeffrey Epstein na file, tapos andun yung mukha nila, maniwala agad tayo. It's the same with our politicians here, or yung mga tao, like, kung ang isang politician, meron siyang kasama na nagpa-picture sa kanya tapos later on na-convict. Di ba? Yan ang nangyayari. Ilalabas sa media, masisira yung politician. Parang ganun. It's unfair ba? So, unless you have a proven fact na involved talaga sila sa krimen. Yan. Pero ito, in this email, wala eh. And then yung isa kay Barry Johansen. Si Barry Johansen nagtatanong kay Jeffrey Epstein, what is the answer of Bill Gates regarding how they will depopulate the world? Pero as I dig deeper, iba pala yung ibig sabihin ni Bill Gates. It's not the poor people that will be depopulated. It's the poverty. Look at my last post. Sa mga ibang mga posts sa Jeffrey Epstein files and other history, walang nasabi. Walang involvement si Bill Gates. I'm not paid. Okay, let's be clear. I'm not paid. I'm not, I'm no one's puppet. Ang akin lang is, medyo malabo kasi yung angulo na involved si Bill Gates. The guy is a philanthropist. Marami siyang natulungan. He is using Jeffrey Epstein, nakipag-meet siya, he is using Jeffrey Epstein para makakalap ng pondo para sa project niya. Yun ang kanyang agenda. Pero nung iba na ang pinakita ni Epstein, nagalit na yung asawa ni Bill Gates, nag-wave na siya. Kaya gano'n. Okay. So, next is, tingnan natin kung ano ba talaga ang history ng pandemic preparedness. Para malaman natin, saan ba ito galing? Galing ba ito? Kasi yung email ni Jeffrey Epstein, ito 2015 and 2017. Let's see kung ano ba talaga ang history ng pandemic preparedness. Pandemic preparedness is founded by WHO. The history of the WHO pandemic preparedness is planned pandemic preparedness plan is marked by several key developments and agreements aimed at improving global health security. So it's for global health security. Here are some significant milestones. Ito yung pinagmulan. Okay. H1N1 pandemic, 2009-2010. The H1N1 pandemic highlighted the need for a stronger preparedness framework, leading to critiques and a shift towards a whole of society approach to health crisis. Ibig sabihin, dito sa H1N1, dito nila nakita na kailangan silang maggawa ng ganito, yung pandemic preparedness. Kasi kailangan nilang isali ang whole society, meaning the whole world, for this one. Yan. So, nagsimula 2009 and 2010. Ngayon, punta tayo sa ito. So, meron nang nangyari ang H1N1 pandemic and Ebola outbreak. Yan. Actually, sa Ebola outbreak, itong pandemic preparedness, nagamit din nila. Na-utilize din nila. Okay. Now, shortcut tayo. Kasi, doon tayo sa involvement ni Bill Gates. Okay. 2019, sa Johns Hopkins Center of Health Security in partnership with the World Economic Forum and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation hosted Event 201. Bakit tinawag itong Event 201? Okay. Ito ang rason. In recent years, the world has seen a growing number of epidemic events amounting to approximately 201 events annually. So, meron silang statistics and that is, I'm sure, galing yan sa WHO. Ngayon, they have counted approximately 200 events of epidemic around the world. 200. So, ang alam na natin yung mga major na epidemic, no? Pero hindi natin alam na marami pala in specific parts of the world. Yan. So, there are 200 events annually. Epidemic events. So, kaya pinangalan nitong next is 201. Event 201. Ayan. These events are increasing and they are disruptive to health, economies, and societies. Managing these events already strains global capacity even absent a pandemic threat. Experts agree that it is only a matter of time before one of these epidemics becomes global. A pandemic with potentially catastrophic consequences. A severe pandemic, which becomes Event 201, would require reliable cooperation among several industries, national governments, and key international institutions. Yan. So, itong Event 201, maraming nagsasabi, nagko-comment na, yung Event 201, that is a proof na plan yung pandemic ng COVID. Actually, hindi lang COVID ang pandemic. Matagal na. Years before COVID, marami ng pandemic and marami ding epidemic. 200 events annually, every year. Yeah. So, for me, if I will base it on history and yung data nila, I could not assume na it was planned. Yung pandemic preparedness, yung simulation, I could not assume that. Kasi, meron silang data and the experts already agree that it's only a matter of time na meron mga ganyan.